today we're gonna be doing a 10-minute, no makeup, refreshed makeup look. Without further ado, let's jump right in. What do you think is the first step to a flawless makeup routine? If you said skincare, that's right. Today I'll start by prepping my skin with a gentle cleanser to rid my skin of all impurities. Next, I'm using a vitamin C and E serum for a bright and radiant glow. Then I'm gonna go in with some eye cream to firm, brighten, and moisturize the delicate skin around my eyes. To lock all of that moisture in, I'm gonna apply my Mary Kay Time-Wise 3D Day Cream. Look at that glow. All right, now let's jump into the makeup. Start by brushing all of your hairs up. You wanna use a very light grip. Rest your hand on your cheek. I use my pinky to stabilize it. Just do tiny little strokes like that. So these look awesome. As you can see, my whole face has already changed. We're gonna set them in place with a gel control. All right, now we're gonna make our under eyes look nice and bright using a concealer and foundation. I start by getting some on the back of my hand, then use my ring finger to warm it up. And I start dabbing that underneath my eyes. Now, if you're like that shade is way too light for you, I know, remember, we're gonna fix it. And if you don't see how it's too light for me, I encourage you to look closely. I know it can be so hard finding face makeup that matches dark skin. Actually, nowadays, there are lots of products for women of color, which is awesome. What about when our skin gets tan and light? You don't have to go out and buy new foundation, new concealer. You just gotta be creative in making your colors work for you. Okay, so now my eyes look very bright, very awake, right? I'm gonna take my darker foundation, warm it up, get the tiniest bit of product. Since you're applying it under your eyes, you don't wanna put too much foundation because it's more likely to crease that way. But if I put this right on top of my concealer, it blends so beautifully. That is so pretty. I hope this inspires you to go out there and try something new with your makeup. Now I'm just applying this in areas that are slightly discolored. Lovely. Now let's do a quick 2-color eyeshadow look. We're gonna be using blush and bronzer. I love using the same products on my eyes as I use on my cheeks. I feel like it gives you a super natural monochromatic look. So I'm taking this Morphe Glam Bronzer and then blend that onto my crease because I naturally have more of a shadow there. Now the key to getting natural makeup is to work in small sections and build as you need it. You can always add more, but it's very hard to take away if you put on too much. All right, so that's good. I've added some definition. Now let's add some color. I'm gonna take this soft, fluffy eyeshadow brush, dab that into my blush, and I'm going to start by applying that on the ball of my eye. Now I'm gonna blend those 2 shades together. Next, we're gonna bronze up our face to give our cheeks some definition. The principle is that you wanna start from your hairline and then bring that color in. Add some on my nose using the same brush I use for eyeshadow. Now to get that no makeup look, we're gonna do blush a little bit differently. So instead of doing a dry blush, we're gonna wet our skin first with setting spray. Take a spray of setting spray in the back of our hands, dab it onto the apples of our cheeks, and patting that onto my apples. You can even smile so that you can really see where you should be applying it. Okay, now to perfect our eyes, I'm gonna be taking this dark brown winged liner brush and lining my top eyelid as close to my lash line as possible. Then I take this smoky eye brush to blend it out. So now I'm gonna dab that directly into the color and put that on my bottom lash line. Y'all, I actually skipped a really important step. I forgot to set underneath my eyes. You can check out my other videos where I don't forget to use it. So this is the Thrive Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. It makes your lashes look crazy long. So to apply mascara, instead of just brushing up, you really want to go back and forth and then wiggle up, kind of like you're brushing your teeth. So for lips, I'm gonna be using a Revlon Balm lip stain. I'm obsessed with this. You actually can't buy it on stores anymore. I have to order it off Amazon. But I use this every day and it lasts for such a long time and really makes your lips look natural. Go over it with some Vaseline for moisture. Lastly, use my LA Colors Nourishing Lip Oil. And here is the final look. I hope you guys had a great time learning how to create this natural, no makeup look. Let me know in the comments below how you did, and I will see you all next time. And check out these videos next. I picked them especially for you.